Hearing knocking noises, but I'm not sure where it's coming from. Tell if that's inside or outside. That's a spirit. Can you knock twice really loud? If you're a spirit, knock twice loud.